This is a guided creative visualization in being a fashion designer. Save this video and listen to it every day if you can, so that your subconscious mind can integrate it into your system. So let's get started. Imagine yourself being a fashion designer. What would it be like for you to be a fashion designer? This is a very different and unique video on being a designer, using your imagination and visualizing yourself being a designer. Einstein once said, imagination is more important than knowledge. Imagine yourself being and doing the things that a designer does. For this particular exercise, if you can close your eyes and visualize yourself doing the things that a designer does. For some of you, maybe it's sketching. And for some of you, maybe it's draping, if you like draping. And if you like sewing, maybe it's sewing or making patterns, pattern making. Or looking at fabrics and shopping at a fabric store, buying some fabric and visualize and imagine yourself what it's like to feel that fabric, and what would you do with that fabric? What would you drape with it? Imagine, visualize yourself sketching some ideas using that fabric. Imagine and visualize yourself working with a seamstress and communicating with her what you want your designs to be, to look like. Maybe you're talking to a factory that's making those designs, those garments for you. Visualize yourself posting your ideas and images on your social media platforms, and feel the emotions, the feelings of what it's like to be a successful fashion designer. What would that feel like? See yourself opening up a fashion magazine, for example, Vogue, right? And seeing your brand advertised in that magazine. What would that feel like? See yourself presenting your collection, your designs, on a runway in a fashion show. What would that feel like? See yourself working with a photographer and shooting your designs on a live model for your advertising campaigns, for your catalogs, and for your social media platforms. What would that feel like? See yourself being with fashion editors and stylists and makeup artists and other industry professionals. See yourself being acknowledged for your beautiful designs and your contribution to the world. See yourself being grateful for this amazing success, being thankful for this amazing successful career as a designer. Feel the feeling of success. Bookmark this video and come back to it again and again. The more you can embody and visualize this feeling of success, the more the universe will reflect this back to you, and you, being a designer, will manifest in an easy and organic way, where situations and circumstances will easily present themselves to you, and you can step in that reality. Instead of chasing your dreams, be the person that's already living that dream, that vision, the vision of being a designer. Live in that vision. Live from your future self. Live from the vision that this has already happened. And you are a successful fashion designer. And remember to enjoy the journey. If you've done this with your eyes closed, well, now you can slowly open your eyes and start living the vision of yourself as a successful designer. Start living your day from that inner space of confidence and empowerment. And so be it.